Today we're talking about how to add your business to Google My Business. Welcome guys, and look, you're in for such a surprise today because this one, if you're a local business and you haven't got this down, then you are literally missing out on easy customers, because Google My Business will help you show up in local search results when people are looking for your business. It's amazing, and number two, it's free, right? So if you're not doing it, you have to listen to this and go off and get a Google My Business account right now. Do it today, it'll change your life. Okay, so what is Google My Business? Well, Google My Business is a free tool from Google that helps you manage how your business looks and feels on Google in the Google search results. So rather than me trying to explain it all to you, I'm gonna go and show you firsthand what Google My Business is and what it looks like so you can see for yourself. Okay, follow along with me. Now let's just say, for example, you're at home and you need a particular business or service. In this case, I'm gonna go to Google right here, and I'm gonna type in accountant in Bexley. All right, that's the area that I look after. What happens is Google, because you put in the area that you're looking for, a geolocation, Google will automatically bring up what they think is the best results in the map listing, and they'll show you the top 3 that they think is going to best suit your needs. So in this one here, you get these 3 accounting firms, and by the way, number 1 and number 2 are actually my clients. Not trying to brag, but just saying they know what this is all about, right? Now, if you get it right, you will pop up here eventually. If you optimize your Google My Business Maps listing properly, you'll pop up here eventually, hopefully, unless you've got a lot of competitors and it's very competitive in your area, then you might not be up there. But you just click on more places, and then all the accountants under the ads, of course, all the accounting firms in the area will pop up. Okay, now if you've optimized it properly, you will come up here at the top somewhere, which is really cool. Okay, so that is basically it. So all this information that you see here is all your business information that Google has pulled from Google My Business. So of course, you've got links to your website, you've got directions on the map, you've got all your reviews, which are extremely important because your clients are going to be looking at your reviews, people. So if you've got good customers, get them, massive tip, write this down, get your customers to leave you good reviews, right? And your review count will increase. It'll help to pop you up on the Google Maps listing as well. Of course, it's got your address, your hours, if you've got any special posts that you'd like to make, this is really important. It'll show you all your images as well. And a big tip, you can also put video in here as of recently as well, and that's going to help you a lot. So guys, go ahead and make sure you get your Google My Business listing done, and get it done right now. So what are the steps to getting it done? Well, it's pretty easy, okay? There's literally just 4 or 5 steps that you need to do, and you can get it done in a short period of time. So step number 1, what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to go to google.com/business. I'll type that in here. So it looks like this. You go to google.com/business. And that'll take you into the Google My Business, right? So from there, you just need to sign in, or if you've already got a Google or a YouTube or a Google account, you just sign into that, or sign up if you don't have a Google account, because everybody needs to have a Google account, right? Sign in, get your Google account, and then you just literally fill out your business details once you're inside, okay? And then the next step is just literally to verify your business. Now, they could ask you to verify it by phone, by email. You can verify it by postcard as well, that they can send to your address. But Google needs you to verify so that they know it's you, so that you're not a charlatan, right? eye. Sorry. Fly in my eye. God damn it. What are you laughing at, babe? Okay, my girlfriend's laughing at me because I said the word charlatan. Anyway. So that's it. You need to verify your Google account so they know that you're a real person, right? And they know who you are. So then the next thing you're going to do is once you've signed up and you've verified your account, go into your account and then optimize it. Now, by optimizing your account, what I mean is to fill out all your business details, your hours of operation. Make sure you put a lot of really good images in. And here's a massive tip as well. When you're putting images in, make sure that you name those images and put keywords. So if you're an accountant in Bexley, call the images of your whatever photos that you've taken accountant in Bexley. Now, if you actually take those photos, here's another massive tip. If you actually take those photos with your mobile phone, what will happen is your mobile phone will automatically stamp those with that geolocation that you took those photos from. So that'll help prove to Google where those photos were taken, and that'll kind of give you a little bit of a boost as well. So take photos, pop them in there, take video. If you don't know how to take video or make a video, go to my last video, how to make a business video, right? How to make a video for your business. Check that out. Make a video, put that here as well, because it's going to help you a lot, right? When people are looking at your business, if they've got a video to look at, that'll increase your views, that'll increase more businesses, and more people are more likely to contact you and connect you to do business with you. So optimize that, put your hours in, put a post in, right? And then one last big tip, what I want you to do is get your Google My Business URL location, copy the URL of your Google My Business so that you can send it out. You can email other people, you can put it on your social media and ask people to leave you reviews. Okay, that's a massive tip because that'll help you go up there as well, up the ranking. The object of the exercise is to get shown when people are searching for you online, whether you're a restaurant nearby, whether you're a plumber, whatever you do, people are putting those keywords in, and you want your business to be up there when people locally are searching for you. Get on Google My Business now. It's the best, all right? It's the one massive thing that you can do now for free that has the potential to totally change your business, okay? So, guys, if you like that tip, subscribe to the channel, all right? Look out for that notification bell. Click that notification bell so that we can let you know when we have new marketing videos coming up. Okay. Guys, the next video that we got coming out is how to add your business to Facebook. This one's a doozy. Everybody wants to know about this. There's some extra tips, ins and outs, all right, that you're going to want to check out with this next video. So keep an eye out for it. Hope you like it. It's Michael from Busy Media, guys. Have an awesome day, and we'll check you next time. Stay busy.